Yeah, big up Chop City in the area. This is your one and only miss, or the only miss in the whole wide world. In fact, I am far away from you, and when you are sitting here watching me, I am not around you. I just woke up this morning and I decided to come to Chop City. Chop City, the people where they sabi. How that day? I hope you all wake up very fine this morning, as I also have wake up very well. Yes, big up all the Jamaica chop people where they chop better food. Chop City. Me is your only one and only miss word. The only miss in the whole wide world. That it is not two, it is just one. And I will be always coming to you every time and to make sure that you are smiling. Pick up Chop City, chop everything, chop hamala, chop ewedu, chop fried rice, chop kontomire, chop all the better things. Big up Chop City people when they savvy, people when they savvy, Chop City.